Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? Japanese isn't as tough as it seems anymore. Sounds surprising, right? But hear me out. Thanks to all the katakana words Japanese has borrowed, especially from English, expressing yourself has gotten so much easier. You don't need to stress over kanji or super complicated grammar all the time. Just sprinkle in a few katakana words and you're good to go. So let me show you some of my favorites that I use all the time. Ready? Let's dive in. So let's start with the easiest one. Sankyū. Yup, it is just thank you but in Japanese. So who needs to remember arigato when Sankyū works just as well? It's casual, quick and perfect for informal situations. And an example would be Sankyū, tasukatta. Thanks, that really helped. Made a mistake? No worries, just say Donmai. It's the chill Japanese way of saying don't worry about it, and it's borrowed from don't mind. So forget about kini shinai de. Donmai has your back. And an example is shippai shite mo donmai. Don't worry about the mistakes. Want to talk about action-packed movies? Sure, you could use the word kodo, but action is just way cooler. It works for movies, games, or when you're about to make a big move. And here's the example. この映画はアクション満載だ. This movie is packed with actions, or you can use it in different situations like アクションを取らなきゃ. We gotta take some actions. So saying goodbye doesn't have to be formal with sayonara. Just go with bye bye. It's fun, casual, and something you'll hear everywhere in Japan. So just say ja ne, bye bye, see you, bye bye. Had a lucky day? Just say Rakkī. I mean, sure, you could use unga yokatta, but Rakkī is way more fun. Plus, it sounds just like English. So you can always say, kyou wa Rakkī da ne watashi. Today I think I'm just lucky. Feeling irritated? Iraira is your go-to word. It's borrowed from Irritate and it is a simple way to express frustration. So no need to remember haragatatsu. Just go with Iraira suru. Kyou wa mou iraira suru. I just feel frustrated today. Want to compliment someone's style or attitude? So forget about kakkoi. I mean, kakkoi is also a kakkoi word, but you can also use Kūru. But heads up here, it can also mean someone is acting distant or arrogant. So, just use it wisely. And the example here would be, ano hito wa kūru da ne. That person is so cool. But it can also mean that person is so arrogant. Talking about courage or determination, Yuki is nice, but Gattsu hits differently. It's like saying, wow, that person got guts. So here's the example. Kare wa guts ga aru ne. He's got guts. You got problems? Just use Toraburu. It's much easier than saying mondai. Perfect for casual chats and about life's little hiccups. And this is the example. Project de yoku Toraburu ga hassei shiteiru. Lately there's been so many troubles in the project. I hope it never happens to you, but just in case, trouble is your word. Need to chill out? Just say Rirakkusu. It's Japanese for relax, and honestly, who needs gutsurogu when this is so easy to remember, right? As for the example, you can just use let's relax today. Kyou wa riraksu shiyou? And there you have it, folks. These katakana words make speaking Japanese so much easy and so much more fun and way less intimidating. I mean, give them a try, use them casually, and watch how it gets to fit right into a conversation. Let me know your favorite katakana word in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun Japanese tips. Bye bye.